Hello, boys and girls. This is Karen.
Hello, mommies and daddies. This is Luke. And we're at Let's Play Theater. And today's story is The Fox and the Bird.
In a peaceful forest, a clever fox spots a yellow bird perched on a branch, holding a delicious piece of meat in her beak.
Interesting.
The fox approaches the yellow bird and starts paying her compliments. But in fact, he is just trying to get the bird to open her beak so she will drop the meat.
Oh, sweet, beautiful bird, your yellow feather is truly radiant, like a sunbeam in the forest. Ah, Sale mia, you're so beautiful.
The bird is very happy. She smiles but doesn't respond.
And may I say, you are so cute. You are cuter than a kitten. You are cuter than a puppy. You're just the cutest bird I've ever seen.
The bird is really happy. She smiles politely, but deep inside, she really wants to open her beak to say thank you. Then the fox continues to say,
You know, I've heard other animals talking about your singing voice. They say it's the sweetest melody in the entire forest. Would you sing for me? May I hear your sweet singing voice?
Finally, the bird can't resist anymore. She opens her beak to sing, and the meat drops to the ground. Tweet, tweet! The fox's plan worked, and the meat fell from the bird's beak.
Oh dear, let me help you with that.
My meat! Give it back! You tricked me, fox!
Oh yes, I did. Thank you for the yummy treat, silly yellow bird.
The end. The moral of the story is to beware of flattery. When someone flatters you or gives you a lot of compliments, maybe they want something else from you.
That's right. Hey, I just noticed you look very beautiful today, Karen.
Thank you.
And if you like our story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.